Need to present without internet? Depending on your Prezi Next plan, you can do just that. First, you'll need to download a view-only version of your presentation using the Prezi Next desktop application. You can choose to download it for Mac, Windows, or both. Click Export and then click OK. With Windows, you'll get an exe file, and with Mac, you'll get a zip file. Once the file downloads, on Windows, simply double-click the file. On a Mac, first unzip the file, and then double-click on the Prezi logo to start presenting. Once you open the presentation, you can navigate with the arrows or the arrow keys on your keyboard. You can even autoplay the presentation by clicking on the cogwheel in the lower right corner. Remember, if the presentation has a YouTube video in it, you'll need an internet connection to view it. Here's a tip. Try clicking on any topic to skip to the content that is the most important for you. And that's how you open and view a downloaded Prezi presentation. Go ahead and view your presentation anywhere with Prezi Next.